Naveen Pauly, yes, we have the character promo for Benz, and I know this came on 4th. I am recording and publishing this on 8th, so I'm already very late, but I was not available. Yeah, I had some work, that's why I could not record it at that particular time. So I have seen his look on social media. I mean, I'm active on social media, so obviously I saw the look, but I did not see the entire promo. I know how he looks like, but I want to see how the character introduction is done. So this is getting directed by Bakia Raj Kannan. The music is given by Sai Abhyankar, and this is getting produced by Lokesh Kanagaraj, and Raghava Lawrence is in the lead. So when the promo teaser came, I had not reacted to it, but I've watched it. So we have got some animation shots there of Raghava Lawrence. It looks brutal, and here Naveen's look looks absolutely brutal. So I don't want to delay this any further because I've already delayed it a lot. I just want to see how the character introduction is. I know the name of the character is Walter, and he's the main villain of this particular movie. So yes, let's watch it. Yes. Oh, yes. He is Richie Rich. I can see that. What? Wait, I did not. That's my fault. What did he say? But it's auto-generated. Oh, you have to let me know. You have to let me know.
பேரு EPNS Benz. SL இந்த ABCDல கடைசியா ஒரு ஒரு இது வரும்ல கோடு போட்ட மாதிரி ஈசாட் ஈசாட் ஹெல்மெட்டுக்குள்ள இருக்க வந்தாலே ஸ்மார்ட் வெட்டுற மாதிரி கசக்கு
Oh, he looks amazing. That Thor hammer is also made of gold. I am so impressed.
Dirty mind, beautiful heart.
Dirty mind.
Clay combination. Love you, Walter.
Dirty mind, beautiful heart, huh, Naveen? Lovely. I wish there were subtitles. You have to let me know what was said in those dialogues. Stop this. Crazy, after 4 days they have not released the subtitle version. Why? I just love how all of us are really waiting for this huge comeback for Naveen. And I mean, we all thought that Malayali from India would be doing that, but it might as well be this Tamil film, guys. And I just love how we got this really long promo, because you kind of see that, okay, what kind of attitude he has, his mannerisms, like you get the character mannerism. Because I had seen Naveen's look on social media, on Instagram, and I thought to myself, oh my goodness, he looks savage. And then I realized that the promo video itself is like 3 minutes, so obviously we're going to get more material. So one thing is that he's rich, obsessed with gold, I feel. Second, obviously Benz is his sworn enemy, so the final face-off is going to be him versus Raghava Lawrence's character Benz. Third thing, oh my god, he's a psycho. His character is completely psycho, and I would say that even when I had seen the promo of Benz, like the first drop which happened, I mean, Benz also is pretty like psychotic that way. Is quite brutal because we have not gotten the character intro for Benz, which I'm assuming is going to be the last. But from the announcement video, whatever animation I saw, I was like, okay, Benz is also extremely unhinged in terms of his characteristics. That's the only thing I could kind of guess. But if you see the villain, he's also completely unhinged, and I like if the personalities are kind of similar, then the face-off makes it much more worth it. The moral ground can be different because he's saying he has a dirty mind but a good heart. That's what he believes. Obviously, his moral compass is on the negative side. He's immoral, and Ben's probably is similarly unhinged, completely like brutal, but his moral compass lies in the more positive end. So only with that difference, if the personalities are similar, the face-off is going to be so much more fun. That's what I feel. And yes, I absolutely love Naveen in this entire look, in this entire attitude. I am really rooting for the guy, and I want the guy to have a huge blockbuster, to be very honest, from my heart, and this movie just might do that. Also, this is a complete guesswork. I could be completely wrong, but when I saw the thumbnail, it said in the thumbnail it's Twin Fish Walter, and when I was watching it, I didn't think much of it, but when I was watching this promo, I did feel at some point of time, because I did not understand those dialogues, but it fell to me with the interaction that they are twin brothers. I mean, Walter 1 and Walter 2. Just a guess. I could be totally wrong. But other than that, this was amazing. That's how you introduce a character. The editing, the look, all of that, the lighting, camera work, it just looks absolutely amazing. Like, I am hyped for this character right now. So I hope they keep on dropping such character promos. I will be waiting. I think the last one is going to be Benz, probably. Or maybe we'll just get Benz after this, the main villain and the main hero. But overall, this was fun, and yes, that was my reaction to the Ben's character promo of Walter. Naveen Poli, not Naveen Polly. It's Naveen Poli for me. So yes, I'm going to sign off now from this video. Share your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.